guys, welcome to another episode on V's Digital. Now today we'll be doing a review on the new Infinix Hot 9. Yeah, you guys. Okay, so in September 2019, Infinix launched two new smartphones, which is the Infinix Hot 9 and Infinix Hot 9 Pro. Now both the smartphones are entry-level smartphones at price range of about 60,000 naira. Infinix Hot 9 series is the successor of the Infinix Hot 8 series. It comes in two color options though, which is like the Ocean Wave and the Violet. Now for this review, we'll use the Ocean Wave color variant. And these are also the first in the Hot series to feature a quad camera setup at the back. In this review, we'll talk about the design, the display, the camera performance, software performance, and the battery life. Starting off with the design, the phone comes in two color options, the blue and the violet, which tends to become darker towards the bottom. It's like it has this tint down there. At first glance, the Hot 9 seems to resemble the Camon 15 or the Spark 5. The Hot 9 features a plastic body with curved edge, tiny bezel. Display-wise, the smartphone comes with a large 6.6-inch HD Plus Infinity O display. The display hole, which is placed at the top left corner, houses the front camera. Towards the right is the volume control button, with the power button located below. At the back of the device is a pill-shaped quad camera module, 3 LED flashlights, and a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom edge is the micro USB charging port. Alongside it is a 3.5mm headphone jack and the speaker. The top edge of the display is clean with no ports at all. Going over to the camera, the phone offers a single 8-megapixel camera at the front and a quad lens camera setup at the back, which comprises of 13-megapixel main sensor with an aperture size of f1.8. This is coupled with 2-megapixel depth sensor, a 2-megapixel micro lens, and a low light sensor. Personally, I would say the image quality is decent or average. As an 8-megapixel camera, the daylight selfie photos are quite nice, though edge detection in bokeh mode was not sharp enough. For low light photography, the phone has a low light sensor instead of a dedicated night mode, but even at that, the camera still struggles to capture images in low light.
So right now we're testing out the rear camera. I will let you be the judge for this.
Talking about the video quality, it shoots 1080p videos on the front and as well as the back, which looks okay, especially in daylight. And now the performance. The Infinix Hot 9 is powered by MediaTek Helio P22 octa-core processor with a speed of 2 GHz. The device runs on an Android 10 based operating system and packs 3 GB of RAM. This is paired with 64 GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 256 GB using a micro SD card. Talking about the fingerprint scanner, the fingerprint sensor works just fine. Personally, I think it's one of the fastest when compared with, its other siblings. Next up is the battery. The Hot 9 is backed by a 5000 mAh battery and a 10-watt charger. This phone offers a micro USB port for charging, which feels a bit dated, considering the other brands have started offering Type-C in budget category phones as well. The smartphone can last a working day easily on a single charge, although you may have to charge it to its full capacity every day. So to wrap it up, the Infinix Hot 9 is a decent and affordable device with new and trendy features, all at an affordable price. Also, it is now available over here in Nigeria and sold at about 60,000 naira only. That's it for my review on the Infinix Hot 9. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, as it would help the channel grow. Also, hit the notification icon so you could be notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and by the way, it's your girl Claire, and peace out.